Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Wave. Today we are going to learn how to display radio button horizontally and create type from selected radio button value like this. This is a radio button and I am displaying this radio button in horizontal view. Whenever user select the radio button, the respective value of the radio button display on the bottom. Whenever select on another one radio button, the correspondence data should be displayed on the bottom. Whenever click on the another radio button, the radio button value get and corresponding data will display on the bottom. Same like this. So let's go start it. So this is a article of w3wave.net. This is my tutorial blog. We need to follow all of the steps if you want to create same like this. So there are some steps we need to follow. As per step 1, we need to create a lightning component, and step 2, we need to create a JavaScript controller, and step 3, we need to create a lightning application. So start first one, following first one. So as per the step 1, we need to create a lightning component. In the lightning component, we are going to copy this code and paste in the lightning component. I already created lightning order component. So first you need to create a lightning order component name like this. After copying this file, we need to create a JavaScript controller. In JavaScript controller, we need to copy this code and paste in the JavaScript file. After that, we need to follow step number 3. In the step number 3, we need to create lightning application. In the lightning application, we need to copy this code and paste in the lightning application file. After copy all of these steps, we need to save all of the file. So I am saving all of the files. After saving all of the files, we need to check preview. So go to the lightning application and click on the preview. So here is the output of this code. Whenever we select on the radio button value will get and corresponding data will display on bottom like horizontal tab. You click on the Aura Lightning, the Aura Lightning button value will get and display the corresponding data on below. So same like this and this. So here we are creating a horizontal tab using the radio button value. This is the code of the lightning order component. This is the code of the lightning order component controller, and this is the lightning application component of lightning application. So all of the code we will get from article of w3wave.net. So I will provide the URL link in the description of this video. Thank you so much.